My name is Adam Obank. Everybody calls me Shirley, the equipment operator instructor for NCC. We go over safety. Safety is a huge deal with heavy equipment. We try and get them in equipment as soon as possible so that they can learn how to run it. You can't learn how to run equipment out of a book, so we want to get them actual seat time in the equipment. I'll ride with them, show them what they can and can't do, give them little tips and tricks that I've learned over the past 25 years of actually running equipment. You will go through a little bit of a welding program here. Through this program, you will get your CDL through this program, and you will be able to run equipment through this program. That is 3 things that these employers are looking for because they can't find anyone that has those 3 qualifications. If you have all 3, you are top of the list, and if you're actively looking for a job, I would almost guarantee you're going to find a job.
I like the heavy equipment program here because of all the hands-on learning we get to do and the maintenance side of the program. I chose NCC because they have the only heavy equipment program in Iowa.
The college owns, I believe it's 9 acres that we have got engineered, and we're going to build roads and house basements, building pads, and a mock housing development. And then we'll flatten it out, and the next year's kids can do the same thing. A strong majority, 60 to 70% of our time is spent on the equipment, in the equipment, or working on the equipment. During the summer, we actually go out on actual job sites that are donated to us or given to us. We bid on from local communities. It really depends. If you go road construction, you can make upwards of, I'd say, 120 to 150,000 in a year, depending on the season and the job. If you go closer to home, you're home every night, 40 to 60,000 is probably going to be pretty close to your average. Simulators, we just got this last year, and this is as close to being on a real piece of equipment as I've ever been without actually being on a real piece of equipment. They're very interactive. The safety protocols on them are incredible. To be a good heavy equipment operator, I would say you have to have a reasonably good personality. Some of the guys on these crews are a little rough. They're extremely fun to be around. A very good work ethic. Showing up on time is definite. Following directions and kind of being able to see the big picture. Everybody just sees a pad of dirt. You need to see what it can look like when it's done before it's done.